my goodness, YouTube. I am still quarantined and it's been like 5 weeks. Or 4 weeks. Honestly, I couldn't tell you because I feel like I've lost track of days. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Becca, and in today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing of the Sew Sampler package for April 2020. Now, this is a package that I'm actually looking really forward to because I have been under quarantine at home under the stay-at-home order in my state since March 13th, I think it is, something like that. Today is April 22nd, so it's been like 5 weeks. I've not gotten to go to a quilt store. I've not gotten to go shopping. I've not done any of that stuff. So this is a little bit of happiness and goodness delivered directly to my door. Now, if you don't know what the Sew Sampler box is, let me just run through this really quick. This is a monthly sewing subscription box that is curated by Fat Quarter Shop. It runs $29.90, which includes your shipping in the United States. And inside there's fabric, pattern, and notions. And yeah, it's a lot of fun to get. Last I checked, normally this is waitlisted, but I think they had some openings. So if you want to get in on the fun, you can visit Fat Quarter Shop at www.fatquartershop.com. All right, let's dive in. The theme of the box this month is You're Invited. On the back side of these cards is usually a coupon code, but this time we have an advertisement for a new quilt along that's coming to Fat Quarter Shop. There's a link in the description box below that you can use to check out what this quilt along is going to be, but it looks like it is called the Greatest Hits Album Quilt Along, featuring Bella Solids from Moda Fabric. And the whole idea here is that each sampler block will be used to record a memory of someone special so that you can keep it on replay is what it says. Cute. Maybe I'll do it because at least right now I've got plenty of spare time on my hand. Okay. All right, let's look in the box. I'm so excited for this. All right, you guys gotta know that Fat Quarter Shop has a group for the Sew Sampler, and they did a sneak peek, and it just had an anniversary bar image in it and the color palette. I was like, I think I know what this is. I guessed that there was going to be a jelly bar, and there is a jelly bar in this box. We'll get to that in a second, but I correctly guessed the fabric line, and I am super stoked about it. But you're going to have to wait because I'm going to open that last. We have a little pamphlet that tells us everything that's inside this box and the retail value. We'll use this as we unbox the contents. All right, first up, we have a tin of beeswax thread conditioner. This retails for $6.48. Inside that box is a little piece of beeswax that's in a Ziploc bag. And this is so cute. It's actually cut like a diamond. Isn't that cool? Back into the container it goes. Next up, we have a package of Alphabetties expansion pack. So if you're not sure what Alphabetties are, this is a product from It's Sew Emma, which is a portion of Fat Quarter Shop. They are little plastic tiles that come in pink, blue, or gray, and each tile either has one letter or one number on it, and it's designed so that you can clip it with a Wonder Clip onto your little quilt pieces so you can label your individual elements for a quilt block. They have come out with an expansion pack, and we've got one of them right here. This is the Alphabetties expansion pack in gray from It's Sew Emma, and the tiles are the same tiles that we've come to know and love in the other packs, except the letters and numbers on them are actually double digits. Cool. This package of Alphabetties will retail for $13.98. We have a Scallops and Waves quilting template. This is a ruler that is used in free motion quilting to draw shapes onto your quilt. This has got some scalloped edges on it, and you can see it's not completely see-through right now because it's got a piece of brown paper backing on the side that you can peel off. But yeah, this is just used for quilting with rulers. I've not really gotten into that yet, so I can't really tell you much about this, but I can tell you that this item retails for $9.98, and it is exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop, so you can't pick up this ruler anywhere else. I can't show you the inside of this, but I can show you the outside. We have a little package of coupons, and I bet that this was included as a way of celebrating the anniversary of the Sew Sampler box. I can tell you what's inside. We've got a coupon for $20 off a $100 purchase, free shipping on anything more than $25, buy one, get one free, 30% off of Jolly Bars, 30% off It's So Emma books, and 30% off of box favorites. There's also a coupon for a free Jolly Bar Volume 2 book with a purchase of $30. And then there is an advertisement for 2 new books from the Fat Quarter Shop. They are listed on the back here. One of them is the Jolly Bar book, Volume 2, and the other one is Quilter's Cottage, which is by Lori Holt. I think I'm going to go pick those books up as soon as I'm done with this video. Our quilt pattern this month is called Garden Gala. Did I say that right? Gala? I don't know. This is going to make a quilt that measure 48.5 inches by 48.5 inches. And it's going to use the fabric that we have plus 2 yards of background and 5/8 yard of binding. And I love their patterns because the paper is always really good quality. The font is very easy to read and the illustrations are full color. So these are nice patterns, guys. This pattern retails, let me find it, for $9.98. So the greatest hits quilt along that they have, you can sign up if you're not a Sew Sampler member by checking out that link in the description box below. But Sew Sampler members are going to get each block recipe in their boxes. So if you're intuitive, you've probably already seen in the pattern what our fabric is going to be, and you probably already know where this is going. Our fabric this month is a Jolly Bar featuring the At Home collection from Bonnie and Camille. I don't want to open this Jolly Bar too much because I don't want to mess it up. But I want to kind of show you a little bit of the fabric. I love Bonnie and Camille. This fabric is gorgeous. I'm not going to be able to do a flip through of this fabric because it's a Jolly Bar and it's not easy to show this to you without taking it apart. And honestly, I'm not ready to do that. But what I will do is insert a picture right here, direct from the Fat Quarter Shop website, of what all of those prints look like. And now that you can see what this fabric looks like, you can make a decision whether or not you want to buy a charm pack, a mini charm, a Jolly Bar, a layer cake, charm square, or maybe even just an entire Fat Quarter bundle. This Jolly Bar retails for $18.98. And if you don't know what a Jolly Bar is, it is a unique pre-cut only for Fat Quarter Shop. It features all of the same fabrics that you would get in a layer cake or a charm square or a jelly roll, but each piece of fabric in this little bundle measures 5 inches by 10 inches. So it's equivalent of 2 charm squares or 1 layer cake with each piece of fabric cut directly in half. Because sometimes you don't need the whole cake, you just need a little bit of it. Hey guys, thanks for opening the Sew Sampler package for April 2020 with me. I am super excited about all the contents in here. I don't know that I will use that ruler for long arm or free motion quilting, but I am sure I have some friends that would love to get their hands on that. I am very excited about the pattern and the fabric, and maybe even the beeswax. We'll have to see. That's all I've got for this video. If you could do me a solid and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below, I'd greatly appreciate it. I will see you guys all in the next video.